You just need rosemary to stop all the hair problems you have. Today I will be showing you how you can make the perfect rosemary water and watch your hair grow. So if you're interested to know how to make it, grab a seat, let's proceed. So for the video, we will be needing dry rosemary. You can also use fresh rosemary if you have, but if you don't have fresh, you can use dry. They all have the same benefit. I made this by myself. I bought them when they were fresh and dried them because I bought a lot. That's what I do most of the time. I don't buy dry rosemary because it's a bit expensive as compared to fresh. So this is not the first time I'm using rosemary. I have used it in many of my videos. Rosemary is a popular herb with powerful benefits for our hair. It is a powerhouse of many antioxidants, anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. All these properties help to stimulate hair growth, stop hair fall, reduce scalp inflammation and dandruff. Rosemary is powerful for promoting blood circulation to the hair follicles and strengthening the hair strands. Research shows that rosemary can be used to treat baldness or alopecia in both men and women, as well as stopping hair thinning and hair loss. Rosemary is also amazing for enhancing natural shine or adding color to your hair. So I'm going to be using this amazing jar. It's a 1 liter jar. I'm using big jar because I'm going to be making a lot of treatment. So I'm just gonna transfer all of the rosemary in there. So I used all of the rosemary because I want the treatment to be more effective. You can use any quantity you want depending on the amount of treatment you are making. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of water to the rosemary. I'm using hot water. I always recommend to use hot water whenever you are infusing the ingredients because hot water helps to infuse the ingredients faster without destroying important nutrients. Now I'm going to stir a little bit. After that, I'm going to cover and keep it in a dark corner for overnight infusion. You can also extend the infusion for 24 hours. The longer the infusion, the better, but more than 5 hours is okay. The infusion will take place nicely. So this is after overnight infusion. You can see how amazing the treatment is looking. Very effective just by the look. Now let's proceed and strain out the treatment. Hope you guys are enjoying this video up to this point, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. In this channel, I do DIY videos that can help you grow your hair using natural ingredients. So this is the leftover. It has no use right now. I'm just going to throw it away. And this is how the treatment is looking. Now you can see clearly the color is dark. This is the first rosemary treatment I have made and turned to be like this, which means that it is very strong and very effective. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer the treatment to an applicator bottle so I can go ahead and show you guys how I use to my hair. So since I made quite a lot of the treatment, I'm gonna transfer the rest in this jar and I'll keep to use during the week. Into the application, I'm going to apply the treatment when my hair is still twisted. So I'm just starting on my scalp first before I move to the hair strands. Once I spray the treatment, I use my fingers to give some massage on my scalp so that the treatment can penetrate to the hair, to the scalp. It is always important to massage your scalp every time you are applying any treatment or oil. Massaging your scalp will help to stimulate blood circulation, and increased blood circulation will help to make your hair to grow faster as well as increase hair thickness. So that's why it is always important to give some massage on your scalp. You can take like 5 minutes and massage that area once you apply any treatment. So once I'm done with my scalp, I'm going to be applying the treatment on my hair strands. I make sure that each single section or twist is well saturated with the treatment. This treatment will help to increase hair thickness, to stop hair loss, to prevent bald spots, to prevent flaky scalp and dandruff. So if you experience any of the problems I mentioned, this treatment will help to stop all those. So you need to start including it to your hair care routine if you've never used it. I used just 2 ingredients, but they are powerful and effective. So do not hesitate to try this treatment. Apply it to your scalp and hair. And most importantly, take time to massage your scalp. As you can see, I'm doing it. I always massage my scalp every time I do any application, either oil or spray. So you can use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week if you want it to work effectively, and do not rinse it out. I use hair growth sprays as leave-in treatments. I never wash them out unless I'm doing pre-poo. So leaving the hair growth sprays on your hair will make your hair to grow faster as well as increasing hair thickness. Once I'm done with applying the treatment on my entire hair, now I'm going to follow up with applying hair butter in order to seal and lock moisture. It is important to always follow with oil application, a hair butter, or your favorite leave-in conditioner so that your hair stays moisturized for a few days. We are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I will see you in the next.